On May 30th, 2014, Tom Torlakson, California State Superintendent of Public Instruction, announced 39 consortia representing hundreds of thousands of students across California as the initial grant recipients under the California Career Pathways Trust program. Among the initial awardees as recipient of a $6 million Career Pathways Trust grant is the Verdugo Creative Technologies Consortium. It serves the cities of Burbank and Glendale, home to some of the world's leading digital entertainment firms. The Verdugo region also features a robust community of small manufacturers that fill an important niche in Southern California's broad community of advanced manufacturing firms.
After much discussion and research, digital media and advanced manufacturing were chosen as our target industry sectors. Interestingly, all of these sectors we identified were not distinct, but included skill sets such as technology, engineering, and design that crossed over between the sectors. The Verdugo Creative Technologies Consortium is advantaged by the fact that our region is a strong center for digital media. But media is not just television and movie production anymore, but also mobile media, animation, social media, game design. The Verdugo region is also strong in the manufacturing sector, which includes creative design, engineering, and production, including skills in CAD, machining, and rapid prototyping, among other developing industries.
The California Career Pathways Trust is more than an education grant. It's an economic development grant.
We can expect great things from Verdugo Creative Technology Consortium as they assist students entering the workplace with highly marketable 21st century skills.
In addition to the Verdugo Workforce Investment Board, the consortium's education partners include the Burbank and Glendale Unified School Districts, Glendale Community College, and Cal State University Northridge.
The $250 million Career Pathways Initiative was designed to help students stay in school and move toward college and employment in high-demand fields. Grant funds will support the purchase of industry-standard equipment, professional development, curriculum development, and articulation among our education and industry partners. Grant funds will also be used to develop courses that fulfill the University of California's A through G requirements through CTE high school courses.
You pull a robot out into a quad and students, kids or otherwise, come out. Where'd you get that from? What is that? What does it do? It's a way to draw people in, but it's also a figurehead for a much broader field. And so there are lots and lots of opportunities, and technology continues to expand. We will continue to see more and more opportunities in new fields, and we're going to need more and more people, students, to come out with good, solid foundations, both practically and theoretically, and what people call the soft skills, the communication, the responsibility, the rising to the challenge, that can come out and meet these new challenges, which we don't have defined yet.
The true rewards will be realized by our students, who will experience insights and new ways to blend their education and their future careers through work-based learning. These grants are intended to create innovative regional partnerships that link career-relevant, rigorous academics to career pathways. These pathways expose young people to the world of work in high-need, high-growth, and high-skill sectors of the California economy. The marriage of these two domains, media and manufacturing, and the involvement of education and industry partners has made for a strong grant design that truly fulfills the intent of AB 86 and the California Career Pathways Trust. In order to both expose students to the world of work and connect work-ready students to meaningful employment in growth sectors of our economy, support from our industry partners will be crucial.
We've had the opportunity to work with Glendale Unified, and for the last 2 summers we've hired paid interns from programs that came out of the media department. The value came very quickly. They were smart, they worked hard, they were energetic, and they were enthusiastic to learn. So we really feel that interns are a great way for people to understand our company, the workplace, and create a pipeline for new employees that are excited to learn. And at the end of the day, as a CEO of a company, what I like having is people that are excited to learn and grow the business. And we found interns fit that mold perfectly.
Over the course of the Pathways Grant, our education and industry partners will collaborate. This will ultimately lead to highly skilled employees for industry partners.
To deliver a world-class education for all California students, we must provide both the knowledge and skills they will need to succeed in the real world. The Verdugo Creative Technologies Consortium will assure that our students achieve scholastically and also gain the rigorous practical experiences needed by employers for California's continued economic development.
It is for this reason that we will heavily rely on our industry partners for their support, advice, and direction. This relationship will energize the collaborative and development of our Pathways programs over the next 5 years.
The consortium continues to look for industry partners in digital media and advanced manufacturing to expand opportunities for all of our students. An ever-evolving list of partnerships will link students to a new environment of today's technology-driven workplace, and the improvement this brings for students' transition to post-secondary education, training, and employment will be invaluable in whatever career paths they choose.
By developing academic curriculum and experiences that are relevant to career interests, students will be better prepared for the highly complex and competitive workplace of the 21st century and will graduate better prepared for college and the workforce beyond. The ultimate result of this grant will be a significant boost to local, regional, and state economies by providing local business and industry with skilled workers. The Verdugo Creative Technologies Consortium is changing the future of jobs today.